Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hey everybody, this is the Digital Asset Investor, and before we get going, I want to tell you about what's going on with Link2, my sponsor. They have introduced what's called Link2 Stacks. One purchase, 3 companies for $7,500, and it says optimize your capital, invest in 3 companies at $2,500 each compared to only one your first investment, giving you greater ability to diversify. Advantageous pricing. Share prices in Link2 Stacks are equal to the $10,000 investment tier, providing you with increased share count. Simplified diversification. Link2 Stacks utilize our industry-leading tech platform to simplify the complexities of private investing, and this is live on the Link2 platform now. Go check it out, linqto.com. And then look at this. They have put out a new video for XRP Las Vegas. They're sold out on the VIP tickets. They're ready to sell out the general admission. They're going to start eating away at that now.
All right, XRP community, we are now go on the countdown to sell out for XRP Las Vegas 2024. Get ready for senatorial candidate John Deaton on stage, breaking down the state of affairs with crypto cases and breaking down his run to Congress. Learn more from Ripple partner Peersys and how their technology, EVM sidechains, and bridge solutions are making the XRPL better. Link2 CEO Joe Antosa will talk about potential IPO launches in 2024. Get on board with the Link2 platform. Tickets are almost gone for the Future of Digital Assets benefit dinner with Brad Garlinghouse and guests. Get your tickets now to XRP Las Vegas 2024 before they're gone.
Oh yeah, gonna be neat. All right, Bitcoin has crossed the $60,000 mark. This is good for everybody. Okay, check this out. So here's the pricing going on right here. XRP is let's see here. We got a 58 cent. XRP is doing a little bit of a rise itself. It had a little bit of a surge yesterday, and looks like Bitcoin. I think this morning Bitcoin was hitting 61,000, almost 62,000 maybe. I haven't looked at what it got to. Actually, I haven't clicked on one of these in a while. Let's see what it has. If it's doesn't show me. Let's see what it's done here recently. 61, pretty strong. Check this out. Regulatory capture, United States of corruption. Jamie Nix is right. XRP went from 31.6% of the whole market cap in 2017 down to 1.48% of the total market cap. Right now, XRP should be at $29 to $32. Hashtag ETHGate is real, and XRP is the only digital asset with legal regulatory clarity. True story. Crypto Bull says XRP about to explode. See Bitcoin chart below. Just before XRP had its first huge surge in March 2017, Bitcoin was close to a new all-time high. Today, 7 years later, we find the same scenario. Exactamundo. All right. There's a guy talking about the BlackRock, what BlackRock has unlocked the avalanche of demand.
I think the reason it's great to see you again, Amber. I hope you're doing great. I think the reason Bitcoin is rallying today is because you're seeing institutions wake up to actually understand what Bitcoin is and how it works. You're seeing a lot of really big names like BlackRock and others effectively put these ETFs into the market, and they have unlocked an avalanche of institutional demand. As you mentioned, $6 billion have flowed into the funds, with $500 million coming in of net inflows, positive inflows yesterday. So what I think you're seeing is, in a world where fiscal deficits are being run rampant, there is very little, there's a lot of uncertainty around monetary policy, and Bitcoin provides an island of certainty with a fixed supply of 21 million. And I think that's what you're seeing people run to, basically.
Okay, everybody's talking Bitcoin today. Check it out.
God bless you. Well, let me ask you this.
Squawk Box, they're doing their job to help in the promotion.
You just mentioned Bitcoin. He is at odds with you on that subject. I'm not going to say he's been right about Bitcoin. He's probably been wrong about Bitcoin. He might have been right about actually the economy thus far, because he did say that he didn't think there were going to be interest rate cuts coming so quickly. And on that score, he has been 100% correct. On Bitcoin, he's been a lot less correct. We're looking at $56,925 on Bitcoin. We're now, about a month and a half, 2 months after these exchange-traded funds have been up and running and approved. Sort of walk through the math of where you think this all goes.
Well, I mean, the first thing I would say, though, and, because I know Jamie does listen to your show, hopefully he catches this segment, I would just ask him to please do more homework, because people like Paul Tudor Jones or Stan Druckenmiller or somebody like Larry Fink, who's actually done the homework, were perhaps negative on Bitcoin prior to doing the homework. Andrew, it's a one-way ticket towards Bitcoin if you actually do the homework to fully understand the asset. But specifically, if you look at the last 14 years, you usually get a quadruple after a halving. And so Bitcoin right now is trading 57,000. I'm not sure where it'll be on or about April 20th when the halving actually takes place. But let's say it's at 50,000. That would imply over 18 months from the halving a $200,000 Bitcoin price. So the price is going up primarily because there's not a lot of supply out there, and yet you're seeing these Bitcoin ETFs coming into the marketplace with 12 to 14 times what's available in terms of what the network is producing every single day. And so that's why you're seeing this price squeeze. And of course, you do have people that don't believe in Bitcoin that are short Bitcoin, and so they're getting wrecked right now. And I think that's the combination of why you're seeing such great price appreciation.
Okay. Then we had this Jim Cramer. He's just having a rough time.
There's underperformance, okay? It's depressing.
I don't want to.
What has Bitcoin ever done for mankind? Are you ever on a Bitcoin phone? Watson, come here, I need you. I mean, what is it?
Well, coming up, United Healthcare is apparently.
Hey, Jim, you run cover for JP Morgan. You know what they did for mankind is they banked one guy that owned an island, that supposedly died. We can't talk about that out here much, but you know who I'm talking about. You didn't even cover that hardly. What did JP Morgan do for mankind there? And then here's another CNBC clip,
which goes to the idea of, is this a store of value?
I don't think it does.
Is it speculation?
I don't think,
store of value?
No, I don't think that does. If you have something that's the best performing asset over 5, 10, and 15-year periods, it's a store of value. I'm ready to say that. I'm ready to give it the...
On the record.
Yeah. Look I love how they have now snuck Solana in there. Because, look, if we never uncover ETHgate, Solana, they don't even include that in the conversation. That's for a reason. Now, let's get to, this is David Schwartz at ETHDenver.
Well, you talk about the ID, decentralized ID. I think that this is a very interesting area, both from a legal perspective.
This is from the XRP Ledger Zone. Now I think I'm going to go into some of this Elizabeth Warren stuff in the group, DAIXRP.com. I keep forgetting to cover this, and I'll give you my thoughts, and I'm going to show you. Let me show you you want to get directly over the target on what what Elizabeth Warren and them are terrified of about crypto, what it's really about. I'm going to show you in DAIXRP.com. I'm the digital asset investor. I'm not an investment advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please subscribe, hit the like button, tell your friends and family. Here we go.